open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright.
Hi Bharat, what are you doing?
Hi Siddhi, I'm planning to visit Goa or celebrate Christmas.
Why?
Because I love Christmas. I love Santa.
Me too.
But why we celebrate Christmas?
We celebrate Christmas because Jesus Christ was born on this day.
Really? But now you tell me. Please tell me a Christmas story. I'm eager to listen it.
Okay, today I'll tell you the most wonderful story, the birth of Jesus Christ. In a small town called Nazareth, there was a little hut where lived a lovely young girl named Mary. She was not married but was going to be real soon to a good man named Joseph. Well, one day something amazing happened. The angel of the Lord, named Gabriel, a very important angel, appeared to Mary.
Mary, oh Mary. Who are you? I am Gabriel. Don't be afraid, Mary. You had found favor with God. He loves you very much, and God has sent me here to tell you that soon you will have a son.
Oof, me? A son?
Yes, a son. He will be called Jesus. He will be great and will be called Son of the God. Don't worry, Mary. I will inform to Joseph also.
Okay.
Mary was very obedient and she said,
I am the handmaid of the God. Let God do with me as He wants.
Mary wanted to do just as God told her to do. This afraid Joseph. While Joseph was asleep, angel visited to him.
Joseph, awake, Joseph.
Who are you?
I am Gabriel. I know why you are worried. Mary will give birth to Son of the God. It's a God will. God will send Holy Spirit to earth to help people. That soul would be born as Mary's son. You should marry with Mary.
Okay.
God bless you both.
Joseph decided to marry with Mary. Both get married happily. But they have to leave their place because Emperor Augustus said that all people need to pay some taxes and register for census. So Mary and Joseph make their way to Bethlehem in search of stay, and the trip took many days. And when they reached Bethlehem, guess what happened? All places were full. All inns were full.
Mary, you wait here. Make yourself comfortable. By then, I will try to find out a suitable place for us to stay.
Mary was about to have a baby.
Joseph, I'm very tired. But don't worry. I'm sure God will provide a place for us.
Don't worry, Mary. I will search.
Poor Joseph and Mary were too much tired and did not know what to do. It's sad that Mary and Joseph had no place to stay.
A place no one have expected. The Son of the God to be born in it. It wasn't a palace, not some castle, not in a fancy building either. God's birth in a humble small stable.
Mary, you wait here. I am going to get some fresh grass where you can comfortably sleep tonight.
That Jesus was born. It was a wonderful night. Big star shining in the sky. There was no cry, so they laid baby Jesus in a manger. Angel came and spread the good news to everyone that
Son of the God has born. He had given His Holy Spirit to each of us. We might become grace what was by the nature.
Son of the God, divine light shining through the soul. The Son of the God is loving, forgiving, honesty, and teaches us how to live with loving to all. So, the day which we celebrate gracefully, 25th of December, the birthday of Jesus Christ. All over the world, people celebrate Christmas with full of joy and happiness. Can you guess whom? Yes, it's our Santa.
Merry Christmas from CPSN family.